What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel. Fingers TV, fingers coming at you. Well, today we're going to do an install of the things Doyle sent me. So if y'all did not see that, check that video out. I'll link it up here, and then you can click on it and see, or you can just watch this video, I guess. But we're going to do that installation today, and in the video or in the mail that he sent, he told me if I was still quarantined, if I could go ahead and do the install video in this. That's right. The pink Tutu video is here.
Whoa.
I'm so excited. So, if y'all didn't know, man, me and Doyle had a little, I did a little call out on Doyle, see who could reach 1,000 subscribers first, give us a little push, and lo and behold, your boy lost. So, I'm wearing the pink tutu. I'm going to do this install with the pink tutu on, and then I'm also going to do a little ride, man, if I can get out, do a little ride with the pink tutu, because that was the original bet until all this quarantine stuff started happening. So, yeah. Your boy's in a freaking pink tutu, and fingers coming at you is for Mr. Road King and Miss Road King Jonesy. Fingers coming at you. I guess it spirit fingers. It kind of goes with the all. Let's get started. All right, folks. So I'm also wearing my pink Dixon. Went ahead and threw a little more into it, but I don't mind wearing this at all because it's a Dixon. So let's go ahead and get started, man. If y'all, like I said, Doyle sent me these custom-made saddlebag lid tethers, man. Super cool. Love this very awesome gift. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna swap them out today. So the first thing we're gonna do, man, is just go on and get a T15. You're gonna take these two bolts out here in the saddlebag lids, two more on the saddlebag, and then we're gonna install these. So it's gonna be a quick, easy install. So let me go ahead and do that, and then and I'll install the new ones. Alright, kinfolk, taking out the last bolt, and then what we're gonna do is there is metal strips in here. We're gonna take them out of here and put them in the new ones. Like that, eh?
Yep.
Okay, so we'll put this one in here. So Doyle, man, thanks again. These things are freaking awesome, bro. So stoked to get them in. If you haven't checked out Doyle's channel, man, make sure you go to his channel. I'll have his link down below as well. And yeah, he makes great content, man. Check him out, check him out. Alright, so these here do not, they just go straight into the plastic. So I'm not going to put Loctite on these. Different kind of thread on them. Real coarse.
Is your tutu in the way?
My tutu is in the way. Damn it. Thanks. Thanks for pointing that out, babe. Okay. Get her nice and tight. Now let me get the blue Loctite. Put it on the other bolts.
Oh, yeah. Shake it, boy, shake it. Bring it, come on. Ballerina, ballerina.
Some bullshit. Alright, put some blue Loctite on these. They had red from the factory. I'm gonna put a little blue. And then, ba-bam! That's what she looks like. Like that? Should I have turned it the other way?
I think it should be the other way.
Right?
I mean, these were like this.
Yeah.
Facing that side, but I don't know. I think that looks better.
Like that, right?
I think so.
Instead of like that? That looks upside down. Okay.
I think so.
Well, let me switch them.
Okay.
Alright, kinfolk. There you go. I switched these around. Put it facing the other way. And then I did the same to the other side. Just repeat the same process, man. Like I said, man, super cool freaking idea. Again, thank you, Doyle, so much, man. That means a lot to me. And yeah, I love them. They look sick. So sick. So anyway, I guess now it's time to go ahead and get on this beast and show people what real men, how real men ride motorcycles.
With a tutu?
Yeah. Fuck.
Oh shit, there's a cop. Alright, kinfolk, we're out here doing the tutu ride. As I said earlier, I lost a bet with Doyle. And I, man, lost the bet with Doyle. He reached 1,000 subscribers before I did. So now I gotta come out here and do this daggum tutu ride. There's a cop right next to me, so I don't know if they're gonna say anything, but we'll see. Hey man, y'all go check out Doyle's channel. He is over 1,000 subs as well. He reached 1,000 before I did, so that's awesome. Congratulations, Doyle. His link will be down in the description. But yeah, man, I also want to thank everybody that's joined my channel as well, because I've got well over 1,000 also, and so very awesome. I'm very, very appreciative. Thank y'all so much, man. Like I said, y'all go God dang it. Y'all go give Doyle a follow, man. Oh, Doyle is so supportive, man, of everybody that shows him support, and he's just an awesome guy, man. It's an honor to be able to go up against Doyle because he's a cool cat. I've got to meet him once. We went and met him, and so yeah, it was really fun. He took us around and showed us a lot of the Walking Dead areas, so that was really cool. And yeah, so he is a really good guy, man. Make sure y'all go check him out. So I'm getting looks from everybody already. They're just checking me out, so that's funny. And this mic is working good. First time I'm using it. Thank y'all so much for over 1,000 subs. I'm over 1,100 already, so that's amazing. I hope y'all enjoy the content, man. I think of my tutu. The wife made it. I think it's pretty awesome. She did an amazing job. Man, I'm a man of my word, and I told Doyle that was the bet, and so that's what we're doing. So there goes another person waving at me. Whoa, shit. But yeah, good stuff, man. Good stuff. I wish I could see what I look like right now. Sure, I look pretty ridiculous. If you ever get a chance to go out and ride with Doyle, make sure y'all go do it. Like I said, he's such a cool cat, man. Good people. He sends a ton of mail out. I don't know how he does it, but he sends a ton of mail out, which is awesome because he's always showing, like I said, support to everybody, man. But I hope y'all like that install, man. So those tethers that he sent me were really, really cool. Really cool. And, yeah, so I got them on the bike, man, and they look amazing. So I'm super stoked about those. Cloudy day today, man. We're still under quarantine, and but like I said, I had to hurry up and get this video out, man. I've already wasted too much time trying to wait until everything passes over, and the way this is looking, it's going to be a little while, so I'm going to, I had to come in here and hurry up and do this, so like I said, I don't mind wearing my pink Dixon because the pink Dixon's amazing, but this little tutu shit, I don't know about all that, man. I don't know about all that. Yeah, man, I hope everybody's doing good. I hope you're taking all the precautions you can. Unfortunately, I did get laid off of work. So for the others that don't know, I was in the oil field. So, yeah, pretty tough, man. Pretty tough. But that's why I'm so appreciative of everybody subscribing because that's definitely going to help me out, right? So, good stuff. So I hope you're enjoying this, bro. I really hope you're enjoying this. Oh, gosh. All right, kinfolk, that's it, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the little tutu ride video. Doyle again. Congratulations, bro. I'm glad you're over 1,000 as well. So everybody check out Doyle's channel, man. And I hope y'all continue to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up. Make sure you share both of our channels. And until next time, kinfolk, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.